Hello students, we have started rotational dynamics. In this topic, we have seen these points: circular motion, its definition, various examples, its characteristics, and kinematics. Now we see classification of circular motion. What is meant by circular motion? The motion of a particle along the circumference of a circle. Based on speed of particles, whether it is constant or it will not constant. Based on this concept, circular motion are of two types. One is uniform circular motion and other is non-uniform circular motion. We see this uniform circular motion. During the circular motion, if the speed of particle remains constant, then it is called as uniform circular motion. Speed of particle or velocity of particle remains constant, then we can say that uniform circular motion, or in short form UCM. Okay, now consider a particle moving in anti-clockwise direction like this. Suppose its velocity is constant and this velocity is vector quantity, means it has magnitude as well as direction, magnitude and direction, and at any instant tangent to this circle gives us direction of velocity. Okay, in this way the direction of velocity changes continuously. See here, like this. Okay, but its magnitude remains constant. Magnitude is constant but direction changes continuously. So we can say that uniform circular motion is accelerated motion, and this acceleration is given by vector